Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the July 2022 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our monthly kits. It includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock and patterned paper and embellishments, everything you need to get creative. Along with your kit, you'll have access to 2 recipe cards, and these are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and they give you their cutting instructions and all of their dimensions, and you'll get a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also receive an exclusive cut file. So you'll have the password where you can go in and download this amazing 4th of July cut file for this month. So be sure to do that. All right, so this month the 2 collections are Echo Park, My Favorite Summer, which is a beautiful red, white, and blue collection, perfect for 4th of July as well as all of your summer activities. Then we have a collection, Beautiful Things from Bo Bunny, and this one has softer muted colors, but again, looks like summer. It's just gorgeous. So let's dig in, take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is from Echo Park, and this is My Favorite Summer. Has gorgeous flowers, butterflies, everything summer for you. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of storm cardstock, 1 sheet of lava. The patterned paper is this one with rainbows, clouds, and hearts and stars, just super cute. The back is a grid in a 2-toned blue. That paper is called Summer Rainbows. Then we have this small floral print with little polka dots in between in that dark navy blue. Just look at that together. The back is a 2-toned blue with little X's or plus signs. This one's called Bright Bunches. Then we have the pinwheels and all of the different patterns and colors. The back is a gingham red. So again, that beautiful red and blue, that's perfect for 4th of July and everything that we do in the summer. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet, lots of big words that you could use for your titles, smaller little signs and banners and things that you could use for titles and subtitles or to start your journaling. Love this little banner here, and then lots of little icons as well for your little sprinkles. And we have a border of floral and a border of red with white polka dot scallops. Super cute. Love the ice cream. It is definitely time for ice cream. So that is Echo Park, My Favorite Summer. Our next collection is Beautiful Things from Bo Bunny. This is another great summer collection, but it's a soft, warm color palette. Just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This pattern paper that's like a quilt design, full branding strips on this collection of the back side. So the back is this striped and 2-tone pink with the design of doilies, butterflies, and florals. This paper is called Garden Party. Then we have a green grid watercolor paper, again with those designs of florals and butterflies mixed in. The branding strip of the other side in a smaller print. So this is just watercolored circles, super cute in all the different colors. This one's called Dotted. Then we have the diagonal brush stroke in the watercolors of all of the different colors in this collection. Branding strip of the other side, which is a 2-toned gold floral print. This paper is called Blooms. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety, and these will vary among all of the kits. So you're going to get 3 doilies. The colors may vary, but I got 2 different bigger ones and then a small doily. You're going to get one of the sticker sheets. I got the one that's the clear stickers with florals and butterflies and the birds. Then you're going to get a fourth a pack of the die cuts. Again, these will vary, but I got some tags. Has all of the great butterflies and bugs and florals for the summer. Then you're going to get a row of puffy dots, and these, I hope they show up. They're that kind of a peachy color, but they have a design in them. Super cute. And then as a bonus, you're also going to get some sparkly enamel dots as well. That was just a little freebie thrown in for this month. So that is Beautiful Things from Bo Bunny. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store as well as individual items. You can pick those out and have Rochelle ship those at the same time with your kits to save on shipping cost. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Create along with us, join in the challenges, win some prizes. We've got a lot going on over there and lots of inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create this month with your kits.